Ako po si Dulce at ako ay mang-aawit at nagsimula ako sa Philippine recording industry mula nung ako'y 12 years old sa Cebu. So kung bibilangin hanggang ngayon, that's a good 42 years of singing for recording. Please join us on July 30 from 8:30 in the morning at the Cuneta Astrodome for the Healing Conference 2016 with Pastor Hiram Pangilinan and the Body of Christ. From us, the Church So Blessed family, we want to see you there and we want to be with you, to fellowship with you and just learn a lot and receive and accept what the Lord is giving us. Kasi binigyan na ng Panginoon, be part of the Army of Healers. See you!